All viewers and dear students, today we are going to discuss the exponential equation. This question is very logical question, so let's come start. One exponent of x is equal to 3. How will calculate the value of x is unknown. So very tricky question, exponential equation. One exponent of x is equal to 3. How we calculate the value of x? So when we take the value of x is equal to 0, so we get 1 exponent of 0 is equal to 1 is not is equal to 3. Similarly, if we put x is equal to 1 and 1 exponent of 1 is equal to 3, that is also not equal. So it means that if we take the value of x is equal to 2, so 1 square is equal to 3, so 1 square is equal to 1 is not equal to 3. So the solution does not exist in this situation. So now we are proceeding this, we change into the complex form. So let's come, we start this one. If we take because the base is constant value and his exponent is x, so we can say this is exponential equation, and in this case we are applying the natural logarithm. According to the natural logarithm, taking log of on both sides, log of 1 exponent of x is equal to log of 3. So log of 1x, so we have the rule log of exponent rules. According to this rules, we are applying log of m exponent of n is equal to n times log of m. According to this rules, we are applying here n times of log, here's x log of 1 is equal to log of 3. As we know that here's again log of 1 is equal to 0. If we put here log of 1 is equal to 0, and we can also divide by this one log of 1 and replace of, if we put here log of 3 divided by 0, so the solution does not exist. Undefined case is coming, no real solution is possible. So in this case, now we are proceeding these steps. X is equal to log of 3 and log of 1, we find this result log of 1. We are proceeding how we can write log of 1. So according to the Euler theorem, we can say that using here Euler theorem, according to the Euler theorem, we have e exponent of iota theta is equal to cos theta plus iota sine theta. If theta is used here is an angle, if we put theta is an angle, if we substitute here theta is equal to 0, so what will affect on the question? Now if we put here theta is equal to 0, we put iota theta is equal to 0, so it will be equal to cos 0 plus iota sine 0. As we know that cos 0 is cos 0 is equal to 1 and sine 0 is equal to 0. In replace of e exponent of iota 0 is equal to cos 0 is equal to 1 and plus sine 0 is equal to 0, so we get here result is 1. Similarly, if for the journal angle, journal angle 2k pi and k is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and k also belongs to positive integers. So for the general angles, we give this equation number 1, equation number A. General angles we put here, theta is equal to 2k pi. So EI 2k pi is reduces in the form of cos 2k pi plus iota sin 2k pi. If we put the k value as the first is 1, so what will affect? In the place of k we put 1, 2 pi is equal to cos 2 into 1 pi plus iota sin 2 into 1 pi. So we get here cos 2 pi plus iota sin 2 pi. As we know that the result of cos 2 pi means cos 360 degree. So the result is equal to, we can write also cos 360 degree plus iota sin 360 degree. So the result is equal to 1 and plus, and here the result is 0, sin 30 is equal to 0. So this will be 0 and we get the answer here, x is cos 360 0 is equal to 1. So if we take the result is k is equal to 2, so that will be the same answer we get here, I 2 into 2 pi. So cos 2 pi and replace of 2 pi, and this will be we get here 4 pi and plus iota sin 4 pi. Again we get here 1 and plus this will be equal to 0 and this one is equal to 1. So the whole result is equal to 1. It means that if we are proceeding to the EI 2k pi for the general term, so the result will be equal to 1. Now we put this result in equation number A. In equation number A, we have already the result log of 3 divided by log of 1. So in replace of log of 1 is equal to, we have already done a report, so the result is undefined case if 1 is log 1 is, and also we have in the given question y and 1 exponent of x is equal to 3. So we are needed here log of 1, so log is required, and first we are required exponent of x. We are applying I 2k pi is equal to 1. Now taking power of x, because here power exponent is 1 is required on both sides of this equation. EI 2k pi whole exponent of x is equal to 1 exponent of x, and 1 exponent of x is also equal to 3. Now we are taking natural logarithm, we are required taking natural logarithm, taking log on both sides. So e exponent of I 2k pi whole exponent of x is equal to log of 3. Log of 3 and log of, we have taken log on both sides. So according to the log of exponent rules, we are using these rules. Log m exponent of n is equal to n times log of m. We are applying these rules, we change this result. And one of the steps we are doing here, according to this double exponent rules, we can apply here log of, first we apply double exponent are multiplied to each other according to the exponent rule. We have this rules, a exponent of mn is equal to log of, mn, a exponent of mn. According to this rules, we are applying here first log x I 2k pi is equal to log of 3. Now, according to this rules, so we will be change this one, xi 2k pi is log of e is equal to log of 3. Now dividing, and we know that log of e is equal to 1. So in the place of this result, we put xi 2k pi is equal to 1 is equal to log of 3. Xi 2k pi is equal to log of 3. Now dividing both sides by this term, x is remaining log of 3 divided by iota 2k pi. And k does not belongs to here 0. If we put 0, so remain, it means that so we can undefined case, and here also iota is does not lies in the denominator term, so it is complex form. We can rationalize this one, and log of 3 iota and 2k pi multiply by this one, so we get here iota log of 3. And this term iota square, we get iota square is equal to -1, and iota square 2k pi is equal to iota log of 3 divided by -1 2k pi minus this sign is divided by numerator, so we get minus iota log of 3 and 2k pi. And k is not is equal to 0, and k is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on up to the general term 2k pi, and k belongs to z of a positive integer. So the solution x is equal to minus iota log of 3 divided by 2k pi. That is the final solution in the complex form. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.